Nothing like a good morning rainstorm. Woke up this morning, got ready for work. Hear something dripping. I'm thinking I left a doggone sink on or something. I look out the window. Well, I ain't look out the window, I opened the door. And it's raining. People out here can't drive in this rain, so I'm not rushing. Don't never rush in the rain. But people, everybody can't drive in the rain, and it proves it out here in Las Vegas. A little bit of rain, people start driving slow, and some still drive like a damn bat out of hell, switching lanes and everything, almost causing accidents. But just go with the flow of the traffic. I ain't in a rush this morning. I got 15 minutes before I gotta get to work, and I'm less than 10 minutes away. Never in a rush. That's where I need to be at. 95 north or the west, not even 95 south. Going somewhere. Or maybe the 15 south, going to California. Shit. Probably end up going to California this weekend. I ain't been in a minute. They ain't taking my vehicle. You wanna drive like a bat? Speed limit 45, so they gonna stay right there, just up under. But yeah, though, I'm gonna upload this video, like and subscribe, comment what you think on my content. I got a lot of content all over the place. That's for a reason. I don't have no more specific content. Some people still ride without their lights. During rainstorm, they don't understand when somebody flash their headlights at them, that mean your lights is off. Turn your lights on. I better be holding the dog camera up while I drive, but that stuff hard. Or maybe it's my shoulders. Put $12 of gas. See how far I can get $12 today for the rest of this week, shall I say. Now, I already have about maybe a quarter of a tank left in the tank. So I just put $12 in and add to it. If I can make it to Thursday when I get paid, which I would. I'm gonna work. I drive to work and go back home. Drive to work and go home. gonna be a good day. Look at all this damn water up here. Shit. Okay, it's not over here. I gotta get that wheel cover for my for my right for my right side. Right wheel well. I'm missing that wheel fender cover. And I got a main junction, I got some main junction wires right there. I don't want them to get corroded or that connection to get corroded or rusted out. Then I'll have some problems that I ain't even trying to be a mechanic, electrical mechanic to fix. Like there's a lot of puddles on this ground. Like it ain't draining. I thought they supposed to be fixing this. It's bad before they even start messing with it. I'm assuming some streets. Today gonna be a good day. I hope they tell me I can go home, then I'll be happy. I work outside. Now you know this rain, I ain't doing nothing outside. Sit in the warehouse, clean the warehouse, clean the office. I got 2 vacancies. I got 2 vacant units. And they were just clean after they just got from being under construction and everything. They had a crew in there to clean it, so I don't have to clean it. So I scratched that off my daily list. They not gonna be working over there today. But I got the bright ass lights over there. So they must be doing something. I see the window, I see the glass people. So they must be still putting in glass, yeah. I'm still putting in glass today. Last week they dumped like crazy on this property. I ain't got no gas to drive around, so I'm not even gonna tempt it. I'll see y'all.